So here is a 3 bedroom option. Here is the guest bathroom, and this is the kitchen. You can see. So here is the spacious hall attached with the balcony, centralized AC system. This is the first bedroom attached with the balcony also. So here is the wardrobes. Here we go. This is the second bedroom. Spacious bedroom, very big. This is the bathroom. And this is the laundry room. And this is the third bedroom, very big bedroom. You can see from here. These are wardrobes everywhere. This is the master room actually. Wardrobes, attached bathroom. This is the master room. So here we go, a corridor, and that's our face out.